You are on vacation but missing out because hairstyling is robbing your fun. See how I got this look in 10 minutes. Good morning, you. Well, actually, it's good afternoon. Today is the 60s, 70s, and 80s party called the Sunshine Party, and I am wearing my 70s outfit and I'm going to wear my HerGivenHair wig. My hair is currently in a wash and go, so I'll try to fit as best as I can my hair in a ponytail and then put on the wig. I hope it works. I'll start with putting my hair in. I have a very small ponytail. I'm gonna try to leave a little bit on the front out and put the rest in a ponytail. Oh, my hair has so much volume. Ideally, you should have your hair like a little bit stretched, or do it like your hair is like fresh out of the shower and flat. But I was caught by surprise that it was the Sunshine Party today, because today's their embarkation day, but clearly it's not embarkation day for everybody, so they're having the Sunshine Party today. So this is what my hair is like right now. I try to put on my wig cap. I have a black wig cap, and this is good if you have dark hair and your wig is not too thick, not too much density, to be able to better hide that if the wig has any spaces without hair. This wig is a customized wig by HerGivenHair, and I asked them to make it low density because my own hair is relatively fine. Even though I'm medium density, it looks like low density, and I didn't want it to be too big. So my HerGivenHair is freshly washed, and I have not put any product on it, so it looks a little bit more Afro-like. So let's put it on. I think I have to leave more of my hair out because my ponytail is so thick. It's making a big bulk in the back. So let me try to leave a little bit more hair out. So I left a little bit on the front, quite a bit on the back, and hope that it would fit this time. And I'll open so to give it as much room as possible so I can fit my head, even though I have a wash and go. I think I'm going to define the curls a little bit with the do mousse stuff. Sadly, I forgot to play a record when I was putting the mousse, but this is the result, and I was ready in a few minutes, ready to go out and enjoy the evening. So I hope this video helps. If it does, please let me know and make sure to continue watching, because YouTube is about to suggest another video that you might like. Thank you for watching.